Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you a rumba flamenco guitar strumming pattern. Like this. It's the easiest one to learn, the first one. I'm going to show you all the movements and also chord progressions you can use to play this. So everyone has its way to play it. I began to play it with like 2 fingers, this one. So it's a down movement for the first movement, like this. After, it's a up movement, like this. You can use your thumb. It sounds much more nice when the thumbnail is longer than mine, but it's gonna grow. That's the 2 first movements, and you slap for the third. So you slap with your whole hand. You can also slap like this with your 2 fingers. You will find a comfortable way when you will start playing it. And after, the last movement is to go up with your 2 fingers. You can use 2 fingers like that, because we use already them for the first part. And after, it's the end, and you begin again, you start over. You can also play here because as you can hear, sometimes the thumb goes here and it creates a nice effect. So now I'm going to show you some chords you can use to play this. So I wanted to show you some barrés, which is really classical for the Spanish flamenco guitar. But maybe some people don't know yet how to make this type of chords, because it's quite hard at the beginning. So I'm going to show you this first, and after more simple chords. So la remontada, it's like this. So you put a barré like here and 2 fingers up here. Okay? You do the exact same pattern here, but you add these fingers on the third chord. And you copy this pattern, you paste it here. You go back. So as you can see, you can also, when you are here, you can move your ring finger to the smallest chord and alternate. Sorry. You can also move the ring finger like that. It can create a nice thing. So you can really play a lot with this pattern and with this chord progression. Now, much more easier chord progression, it's this. I'm going to show you the pattern. So it's 1 finger here, 1 finger here, and 1 finger here. After, it's here. So it's a classical chords, and after it's like this: 1 finger here, 1 finger here, and the ring finger here. Okay, so here. next video, I'm going to show you a variation of this, which is this. So after you can play, you can alternate the two. So I hope you liked the video. If you want to learn more chord progressions like this, I've made the book, which is on Amazon, and I will put you the link in the description. You can type 31 chord progression on Amazon, you will find it. If you have fun playing this, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. If you have any question, leave a comment. The last thing, this strumming pattern, you can do it everywhere. When you are in the metro, when you are at school or at work, you can train it everywhere, on your legs, on the bottle. At first it seems very uncomfortable to do these movements, but the more and more you make it on the guitar and on different objects, it will become natural and it will also sound natural.